Today, I wanted to share 10 of my favorite tips on staying happy and positive. During the tough times, I have to often reflect on these tips to help me get through the days. We all have bad days, but what is important is we know how to handle those days so they won't become part of our everyday lives. Take some time and listen to the following 10 tips on staying happy and positive. Number 1. Don't put yourself down. It's important to recognize your weak areas, but it's not important to beat yourself up. Instead of thinking about these weaknesses, match them with your strengths to keep confidence up. Number 2. Stretch away toxins. During the burr months, we sometimes neglect to exercise, but still try to add some type of activities to your lives even in cold months. Try doing some yoga or walking around your house. Keep your body's circulation going and get rid of those burr blues. Number 3. Me time. Make time for yourself during the day. There should always be a me time. It's doing what you enjoy the most. Number 4. Make a smoothie. Put on your favorite piece of music. It can be something which reminds you of a pleasant memory of a happy holiday or your first romance. Then sit back in a comfortable chair, dim the lights and just listen. Music is said to appeal to the primal parts of the brain which calms and soothes. Number 5. Be beautiful. Fill your home with things that give you the most pleasure. Don't worry about conforming to others' perception of beauty. Simply choose what you want, just sit around and enjoy the beautiful things in your house. Number 6. Write it down. Keep a pen and the paper by your bedside. It can help you in 2 ways. First, write a list of the things you need to tackle the next day. And second, writing it down allows you to let go of anything that plays in your mind. Number 7. Bath before bed. A warm bath will gently warm and relax you. And not only that, the reduction of your body's temperature mimics your body's natural sleep rhythm. Number 8. Learn from another. Find a story about someone who has achieved greatness. Use their story to help you stay positive about your life and the opportunities you have. Number 9. Admire your reflection. Make time each week to reflect on the decisions you have made and how they affected your life negatively or positively. Then make a promise to yourself to learn from your successes and failures. And last but not the least, number 10. Embrace challenges. It's all too easy to be grateful for things like house, family, and loved ones. But remember to be grateful for life's challenges too. Often, it's facing these challenges that help uncover hidden strengths. So guys, that's it. 10 tips on staying happy and positive. Hope you learned a lot. Thanks for watching.